Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. What we're showing you today, this is an Axon Thermo Ray heat tunnel. As you can see, it's designed to go over a conveyor. You can see both sides are for high temperature applications. All stainless steel frame. The unit has a manual height adjustment right here, little mechanical crank. And then secondly, they'll see the solenoid right here. That would connect to your switching device, which operates the air cylinder, which would raise the unit up and off your process, in most cases a conveyor, so that nothing would be burned during the process. We have lots of equipment in our stock in processing and packaging. We do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. And we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us today.